कंपल्सरी होता है। आपके जाके हेलमेट ले लो, नहीं तो आपको चालान करेगा। आप इस वजह से इसके खिलाफ चालान नहीं ले रहे, आपको हम चॉकलेट दे रहे हैं। हेलमेट का भी तुमने बोलना हमारा we have organized a Nakabandi today. It's a unique type of Nakabandi where we involve our Santa Claus, wherein the person who is not wearing helmet, we are educating them the importance of wearing helmet. Person who is not wearing a seat belt, we are telling them the importance of wearing the seat belts. We are also distributing a pamphlet to everyone so that they can go through and they can understand what is the importance of wearing seat belt or wearing helmet. Wearing helmet is very important because our loved ones are waiting at a home to come. We should come safely at home. So I will told everything. Hopefully the message given by Santa Claus is the raising hand will go into the minds of people and they will willfully wear the helmet. Not because there is a law or rule. As आम्ही तांकां चलन घालूं ना. We have told them that we are educating them. And we have given that sweets so that they should learn, they should from the heart they should feel that they should wear helmet. And